Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Dost, my dear students. I am back again with another job notification for all of you. This time the job notification is coming from IREL India Limited. So IREL is a Mini Ratna Category 1 PSU. It is a Mini Ratna company, Central PSU under Department of Atomic Energy. Okay, the same department that holds the rights over BARC and other such companies. Its corporate office is at Mumbai and it is operating in sand mining, mineral processing plants at Chavara, Manavakulrichi and Odisha Sands Complex, and all these locations are given. Okay. Now, they are starting recruitment of management trainees through online application. So, management trainees are being recruited. The opening date has been 21st of July, that is just yesterday. The applications have started and the applications will continue till 20th of August. The last date of fee payment is also 20th of August and admit cards will be available in the second week of September. The online examination, the written examination will be in 4th week of September or the first week of October. So these are the vacancies without the GATE score. Now, if you people are worried that your GATE 2023 score is not up to the mark, this might be a good opportunity for you guys. Why? Because here you can show your technical skill even if your GATE score was not up to the mark. Now, they have given the link here, jobapply.in/IREL 2023/MT. So, MT Technical, there are 35 vacancies under mechanical, mining, electrical, chemical, mineral, HR and finance. Okay. Now, in any category, they can either increase or decrease the vacancy based on their requirement. What is the pay scale? During management trainee period, 57,000 per month as stipend. So, that is the stipend during the trainee. Once you complete your training period, you will be in a pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000 with a basic pay of 40,000 and approximate CTC beta. It will be great. It will be 13.25 lakh. So don't think that the base pay is the entire pay. There are lots and lots of allowances over and above it, which will take the CTC to 13.25 lakh. Okay, excluding PRP, performance related pay, that is performance based bonus, will be over and above it. Okay. Now, unreserved vacancies are 14, EWS 3, SC 5, ST 3, OBC 10 and PWBD 1. Now, age limit is 27 years on 20th of August. Is that clear? Relaxation allowed is as per the government guidelines. That is an unreserved, no age relaxation. In OBC 3 years, ST 5 year, PWBD in unreserved is 10 year, PWBD in OBC is 13 year, PWBD in SC is 15 year. Okay. Now, discipline, HR, finance, type of disability suitable for OA, OL, OAOL and HH. Now, eligibility criteria beta. For mechanical, electrical, mining, chemical, mineral, you need just a BE or a BTech degree in the relevant discipline. Relevant discipline also they have mentioned below. For electrical specially, it is electrical, then machines, then power system and high voltage engineering, electrical instrumentation and control, EI, electrical and instrumentation engineering, electrical and power engineering, and most importantly, EEE, electrical and electronics. For chemical and mining, only chemical and mineral. Okay. Now, only these disciplines will be considered. You must have 60% marks in your unreserved non-creamy layer with 55% marks in SC/ST candidate. So, in your BTech, you need to have 60% marks. In case you have CGPA, so you get a conversion certificate and they will not round off 59.9 to 60%. You need to be above 60%. Okay. Now, dual specialization, that is in two functional area. One is your major, one is your minor. If your major specialization matches the degree mentioned above, then only you will be considered. But these are very marginal cases. Selection process contains beta written exam held for a duration of 2 hours consisting of 2 papers. Paper 1 will have 100 objective question or discipline related. Paper 2 will have 50 objective question on general knowledge, reasoning, numerical ability and general English with MCQ in each paper. So we can say that the syllabus is quite similar to the GATE exam because nothing beyond that other than general knowledge, other than current affairs. Okay. Other than that, everything is as per the GATE exam. Now, every question will carry 1 mark and negative marking of 0.25, and unattempted question, no marks will be awarded. Question paper will be in English as well as in Hindi. Okay. So if there is a typo error in Hindi, they will consider English question as correct. That also they have specified. The minimum cutoff marks is 40 marks in each paper. For unreserved, SC/ST 30 marks in each paper. That is scoring in beta general aptitude, numerical ability. All these section is far more important because there you need to get 40 marks out of 50. But in technical, you only need 40 out of 100. So focus on the non-technical portion. Now, you have to appear for written exam on your own expense. They will not pay you anything. And if you are called for personal interview, they will be calling candidates in a ratio of 1:5. That is for 35 vacancies. They will be calling around 175 candidate. Okay. So in that case, the final selection will be based on your CBT computer based test as well as your personal interview. Okay. Is this clear? Exam center will be Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Bhopal, Lucknow, Bangalore, Kochi, Bhubaneswar, Visakhapatnam, Guwahati and Nagarcoil. Personal interview, they will inform on their company website. Whoever has qualified the written test, they will be called on the personal interview. The date, time and the venue of the interview will be emailed to you. So make sure when you are filing the application, your email is working. You remember the password of that. Okay. And interview call letter also you will need to download and keep it printed with you. So that when you are going for interview, you need to carry that interview call letter with you. And again, joining date and other formalities after final selection, that will also be informed via email. And you will have to undergo a pre-employment medical examination. So a medical test before joining the organization. Offer of appointment will be as per the company policy. As I told already, I have told you the payment criteria. If you are working in any PSU, you need to produce the NOC also along with your application. And once you get selected, you will have a bond of ₹3 lakh and it is for 2 lakh for SC/ST for a minimum period of 3 years after completion of training. Suppose training is for 1 year, then it will become a total of 4 years. Okay. Now, this I have already told you. Place of posting, they can post you anywhere. Now, application fees. Application is ₹500 and it is inclusive of GST. You can pay it online through debit card, credit card, net banking, anything. And how do you apply? You need to visit the IREL website. Under the career section, you will find this vacancy and click on apply online. Read the important instruction and agree with that, and then fill your relevant details along with your documents and check your application sequence number, user ID and password that will be received on your mail ID and mobile number. Once you re-log in by entering the user ID and password, then you can fill the application form, upload your photograph, signature and all the relevant documents. Okay. Now, email ID should be valid, mobile number should be valid for at least 1 year. You must have personal educational qualification and experience details. Scanned copy of recent photograph, you might have used that in GATE. Scanned copy of signature, you might again have used in GATE. Scanned copy of document in PDF format. Photograph and your signature will be in JPEG format. Your documents will be in PDF format. You must have a date of birth proof, that is your 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet. Mark list of qualifying qualification, that is your BTech mark sheet. Experience certificate if you are showing any experience. PWD certificate and service certificate. Okay, that is for the relevant categories. Now you can go through this information beta in detail, and the last date is 20th of August. Okay, last date is 20th of August. If you feel interested, you should apply for this vacancy. And for those of you beta who are preparing for GATE 2024 and GATE 2025, let me tell you one thing. our courses, our batches are right now running at 20% off flat discount. So what you need to do is just need to visit the examdost.com website or the Examdost mobile app on Android or iOS. Select the relevant batch, whichever batch is applicable to you, and just make the payment. No need to apply any code. The prices are already 20% less. And also, we are starting an electrical machines course from 27th of July. And that standalone course is available at 4,000. But right now, we are running a promotional discount of 20% off if you use the code EM20, Electrical Machine 20. And also a standalone test series is available, beta. There you can get 10% off if you apply the code Ankit ESE without any spaces in between. Okay. So that's it from my side. If you like this vacancy, then definitely go for it. If you have any queries for me, leave that in the comment section. I'll revert to each and every query of yours. Thank you and all the best.